Life can come hard and fast sometimes, giving us feelings that can seem overwhelming. These feelings might make us feel like a sailboat about to be swallowed by a sudden storm. How do we keep the ship from sinking? We need to realize that our feelings are a reaction to events. Separating the events from the reaction helps us to see that we can have some control over feelings. We can't always control events, but we can control our reaction to them. This video will tell you about one method to gain back a sense of peace and calm whenever you notice extreme sadness, anxiety, or another strong feeling threatening to shipwreck you. This technique is called box breathing, and it synchronizes the motion of your eyes and heartbeat with your breathing. Let's start by talking about eye movement. You'll need to find something shaped like a rectangle lying on its side. Maybe your computer screen, a window, a picture mounted on a wall, or even a piece of paper turned sideways. Let's give each corner a label: A, B, C, and D. When you perform the exercise, your eyes will trace the shape of the rectangle from A to B to C to D and finally back to A. That's one cycle. Try to hold your head still and let your eyes do the tracing. The movement is important, and the exact way in which eye movement affects your nervous system is a current topic of research for neurologists and psychologists. During the course of one cycle of eye movement around the box, you'll breathe 2 times. It works like this. Inhale as your eyes move from A to B, and exhale from B to C. Inhale from C to D, and exhale back from D to A. You'll pause at each corner. Ideally, you should take around 10 seconds to get from A to C, and then from C back to A. Make your pause a bit longer following an exhalation. Take about 3 to 4 seconds per inhale and about 5 to 6 seconds per exhale. Your heart rate will increase slightly as you draw fresh air into your lungs, and your heart rate will decrease slightly as you push old air out. This pattern is natural, and it's called heart rate variability. All day long, your pulse goes up and down as you inhale and exhale. Let's put it all together, and you can follow along for one cycle. Sit upright. Remember to let your eyes do the work. Starting at A, breathe in, 2, 3, pause. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, pause. Breathe in, 2, 3, pause. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, pause. After you go around the cycle a couple of times, you will notice a sense of calm and peace as you finish the exhale portions. During the pauses that follow letting your breath out, try to savor that feeling and remember how it feels. After 3 or 4 cycles, you will feel much more relaxed, having soothed those strong feelings. You'll be ready to deal with whatever events provoked them. Here are some tips. It might help to remove your glasses if you wear them. If you have trouble slowing your breath to 10 seconds, just slow it a little more than normal and try to go a bit slower after each eye cycle. The most important part is to spend more time on the exhalations than you do on the inhalations. Keep your torso and head up, but relaxed. Don't be stiff. Use box breathing anytime you are feeling anxious. It can even be used to tame test anxiety. Practice box breathing as you study for your tests. Then, when you first get your test, mark a small dot at A, B, C, and D as shown. Now start your cycles. It will take about 1 minute to perform 3 cycles. No one will see you do your breathing. It's completely private. You will feel more relaxed and better able to put all that hard studying to good use. There are some links in the description below for further exploration if you like. Keep calm and breathe on. Thanks for watching.